Hello friends, today in this video I will show you cannot opening services.msc. So how to fix this service not opening and responding in Windows 10 or 11. So this is very easy to fix this problem. So if this service is not responding or not opening, so you can very easily fix. So first you need to search CMD and open it command prompt. Right click on it and click on run as administrator. Just click on it. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now here you need to type this command line. I will show you in notes. SFC space less SCANNOW. Now simply type SFC space less scan now this command line and press enter in your keyboard, and this command need to type in command prompt. So just type this command line in command prompt and press enter and wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart, you can easily resolve this problem. You can easily resolve. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos, and share this video to all your friends. Thanks for watching again.